Question 1. Which of these bones is the longest in the human body? Ulna,
tibia,
femur, humerus. Correct answer, femur. Question 2. Which planet spins the fastest on its axis in the solar system? Earth, Neptune, Jupiter, Venus. Correct answer, Jupiter. Question 3. Which country was the first to launch an artificial satellite into space? USA, United Kingdom, USSR, China. Correct answer, USSR. Friends, please support our channel with a like and subscribe. It means a lot to us. Let's keep going. Question 4. Which organ is responsible for human balance?
ears, eyes,
Heart, cerebellum. Correct answer, ears. Question 5. Which country gifted the Statue of Liberty to the USA? Italy, Germany,
France,
United Kingdom. Correct answer, France. Question 6. Which fruit is the most consumed in the world? Apple, orange, banana, grapes. Correct answer, banana. Question 7. Which language has the most native speakers in the world? English, Spanish, Hindi, Chinese. Correct answer, Chinese. Question 8. Who was the first president of the United States? Abraham Lincoln, Benjamin Franklin, George Washington, Thomas Jefferson. Correct answer, George Washington. Question 9. Which river is the longest in the world?
Amazon, Nile,
Mississippi, Yangtze. Correct answer, Amazon. Question 10. In what year did humans first land on the moon? 1965, 1969, 1972, 1975. Correct answer, 1969. Question 11. Who was the first person to walk on the moon? Yuri Gagarin, John Glenn, Neil Armstrong, Albert Einstein. Correct answer, Neil Armstrong. Question 12. In what year was the World Wide Web created? 1950, 1989,
2000,
1995. Correct answer, 1989. Question 13. In which country was the world's first metro built? USA, France, United Kingdom, Germany. Correct answer, United Kingdom. Question 14. What is the depth of the deepest hole ever drilled by humans? Over 500 meters, over 7,000 meters, over 12,000 meters, over 30,000 meters. Correct answer, 12,262 meters. It's called the Kola Super Deep Borehole. Friends, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and stay tuned. We're already working on the next one. See you soon.